Now you're welcome back to my online class. Here, these are the expected questions under wired physics practical under mechanics for 2026. This is one of the expected coming practical. Now, from the diagram, this is the resource stand, and this is the resource stand here, and this is spiral spring. This is the spiral spring here. Now, this is a meter rule and this is the meter rule. You what? You clamp the meter rule on this meter rule. So I don't want this video to be what? To be long. That is why I said it. You just have to what? Fix it and clamp it, and what? You fix the spiral spring. If you like, you can use another resource stand and place your what? Spiral spring. So I want to just use one resource stand. Now from here from the diagram. So from here we need the value of this length. How can we get the value of this length? Is when the spiral spring is placed in this resource stand when a load or a mass has not been hung on the spiral spring. Now what is this length? That is what we need. Or before we can get this is the we need to get E equal to what? L minus what? L1. Now from here we need to get our let me take it to be our L1. This one will be our L1. Now we need to get our L, which is our original value before our mass is being hung to the spiral spring, and let me call it to be L, original length. Now I'll measure from here now. I place my my pointer. This is my pointer over this place. So what will be the length of my pointer in this case? Now the length of my pointer, let's assume it is what? 14.2. So that is 14.20. Let me put it in 2 decimal place. That is 14.20 centimeter. Now that is the length of the what? Pointer before a mass is hung on the what? Spiral spring. Now from here, you don't forget that what is the benefit of this experiment? It's experiment on what? Hooke's law, which says that what? The more you place a mass on the spiral spring, the more the extension you produce. Because this spiral spring is an elastic what? Material. Now, before I hung a load or a mass to this spiral spring, this is the original length of the spiral spring. Now, for here, the first weight or the first mass I'm going to hung on the spiral spring is 150, and this is 150, make it 150. Now, I'll place this mass on the what? On my spiral spring. You see what happened to it? It increased. Now, from 14, now it gives me what? Let me read it from here. That is 22.5. Let me get it. So therefore, my first length here is what? 22.5. I write it to next man. 22.50. Now I'll add another mass. I'll add this by 50. I want it to make it 200. So I'll add 50 to it gently. So what happened is also increased. This is now, let's assume that is what? 27. Now from here it gives me what? 27.00. Now I'll add another mass to it now. I'll add another mass. This mass making it to become what? 250. I'll add another mass to it. So from here now, if you can let it to, you can just make sure. So from here now, we take it to be what? It is from here now 32.00. I'll add another 50 to it. I will add another what? 50 to it. When I add another 50 to it, it becomes what? 300. Later we need that mass. So it becomes 300. You just let it to what? From here now, I'll make sure it is what? From here now it is, let's take it to be what? 37. 37.00. 350. I'll add it to it again. Now when I add it, what happen? It also what? Extend. So you just allow it to You just point it because of the distance. From here now, I'll take it to be what? I'll take it, the reading, to be 41. 41.00. Now from here now, we need to get the extension. I would like to use my phone. Reach extension. Extension equals what? L. That is L minus what? L1. So this is my L. This is my what? It's increasing. From here now, if this is my L, or let's say this is my L, this is my what? Original. Let me take it out to be the original. So let me say that L1 minus what? L now. So this, let me take it out to be L1. So from here now, or let me take this one to be, this one is my L1, and this is my what? L, original value. Now from here now, this is my L1 now, my L1. Now, I'm going to 22.5 minus 14.20. So it gives me what? 8.3. I'll put in two decimal place, 0. So from here now, 27 again. I'll pick 27. I'll pick what? 27.0 minus, that is 14.20. So it gives me what? 12.80. Now from here now, I also pick what now? I also pick 32 minus 14.20. So it gives me what? 17.80. Please, this 17.80. Make it in 2 decimals. Now I'll pick the next one, which is what? 37 minus 14.20. So that will give me what? 22.80. Now I'll pick another one for the last one. That is 41 minus 14.20. So that will give me what? 26.80. So from here now, you can observe that the more the weight, the more the extension produced, the more the what? The more the masses being hung on the spiral spring, the more the what? The more the extension. Now from here now, you notice that it is increasing. That is according to what? Hooke's law. That if you remember that maybe you can say that extension is directly proportional to the what? Force or load. So the more the load, the more the extension. That is the what? Essence of this practical. Please do what? Subscribe to my channel, share, like, and comment, and may God bless you.